grade 2. Good morning, my dear students. I hope you're on good health. Today, I talk about a new lesson, but before we start, open your book, page number 851. Today, I talk about a new lesson called quadrilaterals. So, the objective from this lesson, students will identify, describe, and classify quadrilaterals by their attributes. Okay, so let's take some new words like parallel, parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, trapezoid, square, again, parallel, parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, trapezoid, square. So now let's return our first page. Here, some quadrilaterals have sides that are parallel or equal distance apart. If there are two sides in front of each other like this is called parallel. Okay, so here there are some quadrilaterals with one pair of parallel sides is called trapezoid. And there are some quadrilaterals have both pairs of some opposite sides parallel. These quadrilaterals called parallelograms. Okay, so here this takes first type of quadrilaterals, trapezoid. Let's take first example. Example number 1, the Eiffel Tower, shown in Paris. Describe whether any of the sides in the quadrilateral outlined in green are parallel. Okay, here the top and the bottom sides of the quadrilateral are parallel. Okay, this means that one pair of parallel sides, and this type of quadrilateral called trapezoid. Okay, so here a quadrilateral with exactly one pair of parallel sides is trapezoid. Okay, so the quadrilateral outlined in green is a trapezoid. And here, let's take second type of quadrilaterals. Here, some quadrilaterals have both pairs of opposite sides parallel. These quadrilaterals are called parallelograms. This is called a parallelogram. These attributes, okay, whose pairs of opposite sides are parallel. These two sides are parallel, and these two sides are parallel. These two sides are parallel to each other, as this side is parallel to this side, and these two sides are parallel to each other, as this side is parallel to this side. Okay? Opposite sides have the same length. These two sides have the same length, and these two sides have the same length. Okay, here opposite angles are the same size. This angle opposite to this angle, so the size of this angle equal to the size of this angle. Okay, and this angle opposite to this angle, so the size of this angle is equal to the size of this angle. Okay, here there are many kinds of parallelograms. You can classify quadrilaterals, including parallelograms, using the following attributes. According to side lengths, parallel sides, right angles. So here, let's take example number 2, and let's take some kinds of parallelograms. Like first figure, a rectangle. A rectangle is a parallelogram with 4 right angles. Okay, this is the first right angle, and this is the second right angle, and this is the third right angle, and this is the fourth right angle. Okay, so a rectangle has 4 right angles. Okay, second kind of parallelograms is a square. A square is a parallelogram with 4 right angles and 4 equal sides. This side equal this side equal this side equal this side. So this square has 4 right angles and 4 equal sides. Kind of parallelograms is a rhombus. A rhombus is a parallelogram with 4 equal sides. Okay, and this side equal this side equal this side equal this side. Okay, so here which parallelograms have all sides equal in length, we will say figures 2 and 3. Okay, so right here, figures 2 and 3. Here, which parallelograms have four right angles? So we will say figures 1 and 2. So right here, figures 1 and 2. Here, figure 1 is a rectangle. So right here, a rectangle. Figure 3 is a rhombus. So right here, a rhombus. Here, figure 2 is a rectangle, a rhombus, and a square. As a square, it collects between the attributes of a rectangle and the attributes of a rhombus. Okay, here, check all the attributes that describe each quadrilateral. Here, example number 2. This rectangle, opposite sides or equal length, both pairs, as these two opposite sides are equal in length, and these two opposite sides are equal in length. So here you will choose both pairs. Okay, solve number 3, 4, and 5 in the same way by yourself. Limit this, we finished our session and our lesson, and I hope that all of you understood every point with me today. And your homework, page number 856. Thanks, my dear students.